Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best speaker stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sanus wireless speaker single stand black. This stands are designed for Sonos range of speakers and will help to keep them stable for the best performance. They may look lightweight but can handle heavy speakers quite well. The black colored units comprise of rubber feet for firm support and adjustable carpet spikes for extra stability. It comes in a design that conceals the cables for a better look and a clutter-free environment. Consumers love the good cable management, stability, good quality and good pricing. The downside is that it may not be fit for some speakers. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bose 31089 FS1 speaker floor stands, black and silver pair. This pair of speakers provides a nice holding point for Bose range of speakers. They come in a contemporary design to enhance the beauty of the speakers as well as the room and have a firm base for added stability. It comprises black and silver color and has a glossy finish that goes well with most decors. The pair is easy to use and stays out courtesy of the nice base. Positives of this speaker stand include strong construction, easy to use, affordable and versatile. The negative is that they are very heavy duty. At number 3, we have the Mount-It speaker stands black MI28. Mounting bookshelf, satellite and other types of speakers on a stand are easy with this pair of stands. It is well built to handle different speakers thanks to the universal fit. They are made of aluminum and tempered glass materials and are revered for their strength and reliability. It features removable carpet spikes for a firm hold and has a nice-looking and contemporary sleek black finish. And for extra protection, the aluminum has been powder-coated. The pros are versatility, easy mounting, nice contemporary finish, and very stable. The con is that they are not suited for very heavy speakers. At number 2, we have the Vivo SP03B Premium Universal Floor Speaker Stands. If you are looking for good holding point for satellite, bookshelf and other kinds of speakers, then this pair by Vivo is perfect. It is sturdily built from glass and aluminum and is revered for its good stability, sturdiness, and easy use. It features a top shelf measuring 6.25 by 6.25 inches and a base measuring 9.25 by 9.25 inches. The detachable spikes on its base improve suitability, whereas the glossy black finish improves the appearance. In addition to the sturdiness, stability, and easy use, consumers also love the good quality and affordability. Many, however, find the appearance a little too shiny. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vivo Premium Universal Floor Speaker Stands, black. Comprising of a 10 by 8 inch top shelf and a 12 by 10 inch base, this stands provides a perfect holding point for different types of speakers. They are constructed from premium aluminum and glass for extra straight, rigidity, and stability. It can handle bookshelf speakers and satellite speakers among other types. Thanks to the black glossy finish, the pair of stands will look amazing in different decors. The key positives include strong construction, easy to use, and durable. The negative is that they are not designed for very heavy speakers. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.